Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who is abroad for his mother Sonia Gandhi's health checkup, this morning tweeted a sharp retort to the government's response in the parliament on Monday about the data of migrants' death during coronavirus lockdown on Monday. As the 18-day monsoon sessions of the parliament began amid pandemic, 5 months over the previous sessions, Union Labour Minister Santosh Kumar Gangwar said that the centre has no data about the death of the migrants during the lockdown that began in March.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly slammed the government over mishandling of corona situation in the country and what he called unplanned lockdown imposed by the government. Now he has raised the question of death of migrant during the lockdown period. On Monday, Labour Minister Santosh Kumar Gangwar had said in Parliament that centre has no data about the death of migrants during the lockdown that began in March. Reacting to it, Rahul this morning tweeted, "The Modi government does not know how many migrants died during lockdown. How many lost jobs? If you didn't count, did nobody die? The sad part is that the government does not care about the loss of lives. The world saw them dying. Modi government was unaware." Gandhi tweeted in Hindi. Lakhs of migrants were left jobless in March when the government declared one of the strictest lockdown in the world to check the spread of coronavirus. Many of them died while trying to cover a journey of hundreds of kilometers back to their villages from the city, on foot, as the transport services remained shut. Heartbreaking visuals had captured their plight. Gandhi had been attacking the centre over the migrants' plight in his tweet, accusing the government of a poor handling of the outbreak. In May, when he met some migrant camping at a flyover in Delhi, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman derided the move, calling it dramabazi. She had said, "Instead of wasting the time of migrants and sitting with them, walk along with them and carrying their suitcase." The Congress ruled states should arrange for more trains so that more migrants can reach home, she had said. Congress chief Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi left to go abroad last week for the Congress chief's health checkup. They will not attend the first part of the monsoon session of Parliament. However, Gandhi continues to attack the centre in his daily tweets. Another Congress leader, Digvijay Singh, said, "Shocking that the Labour Ministry says it has no data on migrant deaths and hence no question on compensation. Sometimes I feel we are blind or the government feels it can take everyone for granted," he added. Terming it utter callousness, Kerala Finance Minister Thomas Isaac tweeted, "Centre does not care about death of migrant workers. They cause by pushing them into trains, makeshift carts and on foot to the distant home. At least acknowledge tentative and incomplete data of rail Shramik trains and road accident." Bureau Report.